Across the vast plains of East Africa, a distinctive silhouette stands against the rising sun. This is the Maasai, a tribe whose vibrant culture and ancient traditions have captivated the world. Known for their striking red shukas and intricate beadwork, the Maasai live in harmony with nature. They have a deep connection to their cattle and a reverence for the land. Their lives are punctuated by ceremonies that reflect their beliefs and values. These rituals are a window into a world often misunderstood. Central to the Maasai way of life is the concept of community. Their decisions are made collectively. Their celebrations are shared by all. This strong sense of unity has enabled them to thrive in a challenging environment. It has also allowed them to preserve their cultural heritage for generations.
The blood drinking ceremony is not a regular occurrence in Maasai life. It is reserved for special occasions. These include times of celebration, rites of passage, and moments of healing.
The blood itself is seen as a life-giving force. It is believed to impart strength and vitality to those who consume it. This belief is rooted in the Maasai's deep connection to their cattle. Cattle are central to Maasai culture. They represent wealth, sustenance, and a connection to the divine. The Maasai believe that God entrusted them with cattle. This makes the animals sacred. Every part of the cow is utilized. The meat and milk provide nourishment. The hides are used for clothing and shelter. The dung is used for fuel and building material. Even the blood is not wasted. It is seen as a precious gift. The blood drinking ceremony is a way for the Maasai to honor this gift. It is a way to connect with their cattle on a deeper level. By consuming the blood, they are symbolically taking in the animal's strength and vitality. This act strengthens the bond between the Maasai and their cattle. It reinforces their dependence on these animals for survival.
The blood drinking ceremony is steeped in tradition and ritual. It is typically conducted by the elders. They are the keepers of Maasai customs and beliefs.
The ceremony usually takes place outdoors. The air is filled with the smell of burning herbs and the low murmur of chanting. A cow is selected. It is carefully considered for its health and vitality. The animal is treated with respect throughout the process. The Maasai believe that the cow willingly gives its blood. They see it as a sacrifice made for the well-being of the community. Using a bow and arrow, a skilled warrior aims for the jugular vein of the cow. The blood is collected in a gourd. The gourd is often passed around. Each participant takes a sip. The taste is metallic and warm. The act of drinking is deliberate and ceremonial. It is a moment of deep spiritual significance. The blood is not always consumed directly. It can be mixed with milk. This softens the flavor. It makes it more palatable. Sometimes the blood is sprinkled on the ground. This is an offering to the ancestors. The Maasai believe that their ancestors are always present. They play an active role in their lives.
The blood drinking ceremony is more than just a ritual. It is a social event. It brings the community together. Each member has a role to play.
The elders, with their wisdom and experience, lead the ceremony. They offer prayers and blessings. They ensure that the ritual is performed correctly. The warriors, known for their bravery and strength, are responsible for selecting and handling the cow. Young men on the cusp of adulthood often participate in the ceremony. It is a rite of passage. It marks their transition into manhood. Drinking the blood is a test of courage. It symbolizes their readiness to take on adult responsibilities. Women also have an important role. They are responsible for preparing the gourds. They often sing songs. These songs have been passed down through generations. The ceremony strengthens the bonds within the community. It reinforces the social hierarchy. It provides a platform for the transmission of cultural knowledge. Each sip of blood is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life. It is a connection to the ancestors, the cattle, and the land.